This is the scariest story I've ever read. Emily moved into a new apartment last week. The previous tenant, an old woman who, quote, passed quietly in her sleep. At least that's what the landlord claimed. The first night, Emily heard soft humming coming from the bedroom wall. She figured it was just her neighbors. But by night 3, the humming turned into a low, croaky whisper. "Don't let him in," it said. She laughed it off. Sleep deprivation, right? But then came the scratching. From inside the walls, she pressed her ear to the plaster and heard breathing. At 3:03 a.m., her doorbell rang. She checked the camera. No one was there, just a shadow swaying side to side like it was waiting. Now every night at the same time, the doorbell rings and the voice behind the wall begs louder, "Don't let him in. Please don't let him in." Emily is starting to wonder what happens if she does.